What is the project? Research at the University of Cambridge are exploring a geoengineering approach to slow down Arctic ice loss by using robots that spray seawater onto existing ice surface. The goal is to create a thicker layer of ice that is more resistant to melting. How does it work? Seawater is pumped from beneath the ice where it is still liquid even in winter to surface 2. When sprayed onto the surface during the freezing Arctic winter, the water freezes almost immediately due to the extremely low temperatures. 3. The newly formed ice layer adds thickness to existing sea ice, making it more robust against melting during the warmer months.
Why is this important? Arctic sea ice is rapidly melting due to climate change. Thicker ice can reflect for sunlight and survive longer through summer, delaying the total loss of Arctic ice. Losing Arctic ice leads to more solar radiation being absorbed by the ocean, amplifying global warming.
Challenges and concern scale. To make a meaningful difference, this would need to be done over millions of square kilometers. A massive logistical challenge, cost and energy use. Pumping and spraying sea water in the harsh Arctic environment would require significant infrastructure and power. Unintended consequences. Introducing more cells on the surface ice could potentially change the ice structure or affect ecosystem.
Status: This is still in the experimental phase. Small-scale simulation and prototype robots are being tested, mostly through modeling and limit field trials. It is a part of broader discussion around climate intervention or geoengineering. Controversial but increasingly studied due to worsening climate risk